Hello, my name is Mrs. Seema Shrikant Swami. I am here to present the last part of this 4-week FDP, that is the feedback session. So, uh, part 1 I will present first, that is feedback on 4-week FDP, that is tools for online teaching and learning process. In the first week, we have studied effective teaching practices. In that, the Bloom's taxonomy, active and passive learning, and how to create the visual presentations we have seen. All the sessions were very good. We learned so many things. We learned how to create the visual presentations in a pleasing manner, and we also created the visual presentation for task 1. And I will definitely share these all things with my students so that they can able to prepare such a great kind of presentations for their seminar purposes. So thank you all of you for giving us so much knowledge in the week 1. So these are the screenshots of my graded assignment task 1. Then in week 2, we have learned the creation of video resources and website. In that, we have seen PowerPoint presentation using Microsoft Word, Screencast-O-Matic, Video Scribe, and creating WordPress website. Here also, all the sessions, all the videos were very good and very knowledgeable. And using these sessions knowledge, I was able to develop my video lecture, and I have developed the video lectures for my students also after doing this course. So all the students were very happy after watching those videos. So thank you so much for giving us so much knowledge in week 2. And these are the screenshots of graded assignment task 2, which I have developed. Then in week 3, we have seen Moodle as learning management system. In that, we learned how to create a Genomio Moodle site for our course, and also how to create the Google Classroom. The most excited week, I say this one, because creating the websites and all, it was simply a dream of me. And this came into reality after attending this FDP. And this week 3, I liked it very much because something new I developed, what I feel. So I also developed the Google Classroom also, but there is a condition that only one we need to submit. So I have submitted the Genomio Moodle. In that, I, I incorporated my courses, and this is the screenshots of graded assignment task 3. This is seemaswamigenomio.com, feeling so nice. This is the biomedical instrumentation course I have added. These are the course outcomes, and these are the various topics I have added in that. And here, the things I have incorporated in PDF, PPTs, and various kinds of quizzes. This this feeling is very great. And here there is a completion bar and course completion status. After getting one by one, the feeling was very good that I can able to do these all things. So week 3 was really very good. In week 4, digital and advanced pedagogy. So in that we have seen software tools for presentations like Prezi, PictoChart, Google Slides, etc. For creating quizzes, we have seen the Mentimeter, TestMoose, Kahoot, MyQuiz, and for webinars, we have seen the webinar session also. So out of which I have developed a quiz by using this TestMoose tool for my students, and I have taken the results from them. Total 53 students were attended the test, And after that, I have taken a student's feedback by using this Mentimeter tool. And then I have developed the chart for that. And here, by using this PictoChart tool, I have developed a flyer for our department. So this session was also, this week 3 sessions were also very good. Enjoyed a lot. Week 4 session, sorry. These are the screenshots of graded assignment task 4. Here I have developed a TestMouse tool. By using TestMouse tool, I have developed a test for the students. This is the question paper, and this is the link for that TestMouse tool which I have used. And these are the results of my students. And this is the survey or a feedback by using this Mentimeter of our students, feedback of our students. And this is the flyer I developed by using this PictoChart tool. So really very grateful. Then moving to part 2 of this feedback, that is the experience regarding this organization of FDP. This is really very fantastic, I say. The way you organize the things is very good. Really hats off to the team, I say. I'm really speechless about this organization of this FDP. Managing these all things in a very smooth manner is great thing, great thing. So before that, I want to say the best and beautiful things in this world cannot be seen or touched. It is simply felt by heart. Thanks is such a prayer that it is among them. It is among them. So thanks is a word, is a kind of prayer. So thank you, all of you. First of all, I want to thank Remet sir, Dr. Remet sir, for organizing such a great FDP and giving us opportunity to participate in this 4-week FDP. Sir, your lectures were very nice. You speak in a very nice manner. Thank you so much, sir. Then I want to thank Prashant Aragade sir and Kuldeep Bansod sir. I used to call these two persons very much. Whenever I come across with some doubts, I used to call them. They never got irritated at, never. They interacted with me in a very polite manner. The one thing I learned from these two people is that whenever we organize such kind of program or some kind of program, so how to interact with the people, I have learned from these two people. So thank you so much, sir, for giving me in a polite mannered response. And thanks to the dynamic team, that is again Dayas sir, Prashant Aragade sir, Kuldeep Bansod sir, Chaitali Pawar madam, Kahale sir, Rakesh Daude sir, and Sunil Gaikwad sir. Thank you so much. Also thanks to Dr. Deepak Patil sir, Dr. Kailas Mari sir, Dr. Vishwadhyat Ghorpade sir for giving us very much knowledgeable sessions. We learned so many things from you people also, that is creating WordPress and all. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you all. Stay home, stay safe.